In front of me is ULEFONE Power 3S, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first just open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open display, and here select wallpaper. Now you have to select the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. It can be one from your Google Photos or wallpapers. So let me choose wallpapers, and here you can check all the possible options. And then just pick the one that you want to apply. So let me choose, for example, this one. Then click on Set Wallpaper, and finally decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, just your lock screen, or maybe both of them, and I will pick third option, home screen and lock screen. And as you can see from now on, you've got this brand new wallpaper on both home screen and also your lock screen. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.